Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the DJI Air 2S drone, which has recently taken the drone market by storm. If you're a drone enthusiast or someone who's looking for a reliable drone for photography or videography, then the DJI Air 2S might be the one for you. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features, the pros and cons, and give you our verdict on whether it's worth the investment. Features. Let's start with the features. The DJI Air 2S comes equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, capable of 5.4K/30 fps and 4K/60 fps video, which provides stunning image and video quality. The drone also features DJI's most advanced O3 OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, providing a smooth and clear image feed up to 7.5 miles away. The 10-bit log-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. The DJI Air 2S also features an advanced intelligent feature called Master Shots, which gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. It features Focus Track, which includes Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. The drone has a flight time of up to 31 minutes, and it can actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds with its 4-directional obstacle sensing. Pros. Now let's discuss the pros of the DJI Air 2S. Firstly, the 1-inch sensor camera and video quality up to 5.4K provides stunning visuals, which is perfect for photography and videography enthusiasts. Secondly, it comes with robust safety features and obstacle detection and avoidance, which ensures a safe flying experience. The automated camera shots and HDR, log, and standard video profiles make it even easier to create stunning shots. The AirSense transponder and half-hour flight time are also additional benefits. Cons. On the other hand, there are some cons to consider before making a purchase. Firstly, the drone doesn't offer in-camera filtered looks, which means you'll have to edit them post-production. Secondly, the 8GB internal storage isn't much, so you'll need to invest in additional storage options. The remote doesn't include EV control wheel, which may be a downside for some users. Additionally, app-based editing is limited to 1080p output, and the HDR HLG workflow is for pros only. Finally, raw images don't transfer to smartphones and tablets automatically, which can be inconvenient for some users. In conclusion, the DJI Air 2S is a fantastic drone with plenty of features that cater to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Despite some minor cons, we highly recommend the DJI Air 2S for its impressive camera, advanced safety features, and extended flight time. If you're looking for a reliable drone with stunning image and video quality, the DJI Air 2S is definitely worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.